Can vintage jewelry restoration uncover hidden history? Imagine holding a piece of jewelry and wondering what stories it might tell if only it could speak. Restoring vintage jewelry is like opening a secret chapter of its past. When experts work on these pieces, they do more than just clean or fix them. They carefully examine every detail to find clues about where it came from, who made it, and how it was used. During restoration, the first step is a detailed assessment. This helps identify original features and any damage or changes made over the years. Sometimes, faint makers' marks or engravings are hidden beneath layers of dirt or old plating. Cleaning the jewelry gently removes grime and reveals these marks, which can tell us the jeweler or the era it was created. For example, a tiny stamp might show it was made in France in the early 1900s. Cleaning also uncovers the true color of the metal and the way gemstones are set. If a piece has intricate designs like hand-engraved patterns or delicate filigree work, cleaning can bring those details into view. This helps us understand the craftsmanship and artistic style of the time. When repairs are made, like replacing missing stones or reinforcing weak settings, they can reveal how the piece was constructed and if it has been altered before. For example, a different type of solder or a non-original gemstone can tell us about past repairs or modifications. In the case of vintage watches, restoration can reveal details like the type of movement used, serial numbers, or unique features from a specific watchmaker. Servicing the mechanical parts often uncovers how the watch was built and maintained, giving clues about its history and use. Restoration does more than preserve the physical condition. It helps owners connect with the story behind their jewelry. Finding hidden marks or design elements turns a simple accessory into a piece of history. It becomes a tangible link to the past, adding sentimental and historical value. So yes, restoring vintage jewelry can uncover hidden history. It reveals details about the piece's origin, craftsmanship, and previous repairs. Each discovery adds a new chapter to its story. Making it more than just jewelry, it becomes a piece of living history.